here we got 2010 Audi Q5, and then this car I bought it from New York City. You got issue of water damage, water flooded, and then right now I got the engine unsealed. The engine was unsealed. I bought this car like a year ago. I never work on it, so now I decided to work on it. I got the engine. The engine can spin. What is that fucking tool? Sorry. So I wanted to spin it. So anyway, you got spin, but not the all full revolution. So now I'm trying to have the oil engine out, to work on it out, because the timing stuff is on the back, and then I have to check every single chain, what's going on in there. So here's the exhaust pipe. I got one out, but it was huge of water coming out. I assume that I will have same scenario here. I'm gonna remove it. Look at that. Oh man, can't believe this. Do you see that? It's a huge of water, a lot of water was in there, in the exhaust pipe. I don't know if this car will run or what. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this. So I will keep you posted. I'm gonna have the current here. I'm gonna have this engine out of there, and then I bought an engine from FCP online, but they give me wrong part. I mean, the gasket was not the right one, and then here's the engine. There's an engine stand. It's my truck. So it's right here, and then I have to reorder a new gasket. The one they sent down to me was not a good one, so I had to ship it back to the seller. So anyway, I will keep you posted what's going on in my project, and then I will go from there. Talk to you later. Peace.